Good morning, it's Adam with Seaside Vacations. I'm here in Kitty Hawk, just south of the Kitty Hawk Pier, with your beach report for September 20th. It's a gorgeous day. It's probably about 70 or so right now. Should get up into high 70s, low 80s, pretty much all week and sunny. Real light wind, probably about 8 miles per hour out of the northeast. Unfortunately, that doesn't match up well with the surf we got here. We've still got a lot of swell coming in for Igor, but it's real messy. As you can see behind me, the ocean's real active. Not very clean though, because the wind isn't matching up, but hopefully by Wednesday we'll get some good surf, probably in the chest high range. I'll give you a quick view of the beach and the waves, and enjoy your day. As you can see, the ocean's pretty active. Those waves out there are probably head high or so. If it was clean, it'd be pretty cool. There's the Kitty Hawk Pier. And actually right behind me is one of our houses. We're in Kitty Hawk. This is Fragile Magic. It's a real nice house. Books up real early. So if you are interested, take a look at our website, outerbanksvacations.com, and give us a call. Book early though, it books up real quick.
Say what you say, I just sail away. She can't stand me, but I miss her face. I feel like drowning, but the tide's too low. And now I'm waiting for the undertow. So I stand tall, it gets a little better. I see the water, we can break down together. Stand strong, it gets a little better now. We can make it, we can make it. Stand tall, it gets a little better. I see the water, we can break down together. Stand strong, it gets a little better now. We can make it, we can make it down. We can make it. I don't know, it takes so much. Pressure man, go